I'm bottled ball, double round the crown. Everybody's getting down. They ain't never gonna be the same. I'm standing with my balls. I'm riding through the city. I ain't a lot of noise. The girl got some beauty. I'm riding down Broadway. I'm always taking you up. Send the boys riding down the way. Everybody sing the boys riding down the way. I don't give a damn because I'm living. I'm living wild girl drinking. Long necks down, down. When you drink on me, boy, my sugar land, your Escalade, your big parade. I'm the only cowboy left in this town. I'm standing up my horse, and I'll ride into the city. I make a lot of noise, all the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway, my old boy, say the boys riding down the way. Everybody say the boys riding down the way. That's what you said in the back of my truck, man, as I was getting buzzed on out some back country road. We were flying high, fine as wine, having ourselves a big and rich time, and I was going just about as far as she let me go. But her evaluation of my cowboy reputation had me begging for salvation all night long. So I took her out, getting frog, introduced her to my own bird dog, sang her every woman of the song I can think of. We made love, and I sang her up my horse, and I'm riding through the city. I make a lot of noise, cause the girls, they got so pretty. I'm going down Broadway, I'm in the studio, everybody say the boys, ride a cowboy. Everybody say sing the boys riding cowboy. Sing the boys riding cowboy.